I was inclined towards this program because I get a feel of rural India, and it's not easy to just sit and talk about issues or problems until and unless you actually there on the field and to know people's problems. So that's one of the main reasons I got into this program, and it has been a good experience. From the past 8 months, I got to learn a lot. I mean, gelled well along with people. I learned how to actually, go talk to people, how to approach them. The project I've chosen is National Rural Employment Guarantee scheme. That's where I'm working in Kotra block of Udaipur district. Uh, I'm looking at studying and evaluating and doing an assessment of the whole program. So there are a lot of glitches in the program, problems. It's just not like, okay, they say you get a 100-day employment, but how far have people got? That's the main question. There are a lot of problems with delay in wages and people getting it's a creation of assets under Narega, but how far has it been useful? That's the question. Again, the quality aspects also come into picture. So that's my research. So I've been going to various sites, looking at the technical and the quality aspects, talking to people, knowing what their problems, what they feel about the program.
What has been, what changes has happened in you during the program?
I think I've become, I kind of learned to approach the people, and there's been a personal growth, and I've learned to tackle issues in a better manner. Now I know how to go about things. So that is one of
Being
the,
a woman,
yeah.
do you think there has been any kind of difficulty in the program?
Difficulty in the yeah, I mean, again, because the project says the project stresses on giving employment to women and various facilities to women, the creche facilities and all these things, but it hasn't been so good as such, and it's also difficult to approach women. They're little reluctant to talk. That's one of the problems I've faced. It's just not easy. Or when I approach a woman, I ask them questions. They always say, "No, ask the other person." I have really no idea about things. I just get my wages, so I'm just happy with it.
Future plans for you?
I would like to continue in the same sector. I kind of after these 8 months, I've got more inclined towards working in this sector. So my vision is I just continue to be in this sector.
Was that decided earlier or you transformed?
It was not decided earlier, but now I think I would just try and stay back, work for the rural community. I want to work
Just one more thing. Tell him the answer. The whole thing is, if you have to say something to women who are interested, other women who are interested in this program, what would you say? One small thing.
I think you should go for it, experience this whole journey. It's very. It's a good. I think I would just say that you should go for it and experience this whole thing of staying and working with the rural community.
When you say you, can you replace you with women there?
Or everyone or every woman, even women or something.
It was specific for women, right?
Yeah.
So if you can put women in place of you.
Just what you said, instead of saying it like.
I think women should go for it. They shouldn't feel that I can't do it because nothing is impossible. So they should go and experience this. This is a journey, and you not get to experience such a thing.
I think that's fine.